What up? My name's Pao Taquito. Today I'm going to show you my 2002 Toyota Sequoia. So I had this beast imported from Japan. Back in Japan, this thing was climbing up Mount Fuji. So as you can see, got these Michelin all-terrain tires. So I like to go mudding with the boys on the weekends. So I got these mud flaps here because I don't want to mess up my nice paint. It's pretty nice. So coming up front, you see these fog lights. Whenever I'm flying down a dirt road, 50 miles an hour, it gets a little foggy. All the dirt flying up, you know? So I gotta turn these bad boys on, and it shoots out beams more powerful than the sun, and it illuminates everything in front of you. It's more powerful than even the headlights. So you see this little diffuser right here? So whenever I was climbing Mount Fuji going 55 miles an hour, rocks and crap are flying everywhere, so whenever a rock hit, doesn't hit this, just right off. All right, so if you come around here, it's on these rims, got a few little chips. I was climbing up Mount Everest, took this thing down to Nepal, climbing up Mount Everest, rocks and crap just kept hitting, put a little divot in it. All right, so you better come back here. So you see this four-wheel drive badge? Obviously it's a four-wheel drive vehicle. And you also got a V8 badge because there's no replacement for displacement. And I got this tow hitch right here for whenever I gotta pull stuck Chevys out of ditches. Yeah. All right, let me show you on the inside. So you see I got this little step up right here. This thing's so freaking high, living the high life. So you gotta climb up, and then you gotta sit in. See, this beast has a sequential automatic transmission. You put it in drive, it gets torque real down low. So whenever you're going up the mountain, you don't want to rev it real high. You just want to sit in and enjoy the ride. And now we'll talk about the engine. Down here we got a 4.7 liter V8 beast of an engine. You see right here all this corrosion and stuff? That's four-cylinder owner's tears whenever I beat them in street races and the little rice rods. We got this cold air intake, so gets more torque down low, rips everything out. I mean, nothing more I can say about that. Right here we got this fogged up headlight. So the story with that is I was going 45 miles an hour downhill on a dirt road, and for some reason all the fog all the dust and dirt in the air just went on this one headlight, not over there. I don't know why. You see we got this Toyota badge right here representing for Japan up here in the US. We got this V8 badge because V8's the best. Yeah, that's all I gotta say.